When you get into your Noomu site, you might be wondering, like, how do I just make a plain page? What if I don't want all these fancy things on different pages? It's actually quite easy. I'm just inside the ministry website template that we are making for you guys. And let's use that as an example. So if you go over to your pages, we are on the contact us page. So let's say I want to make a plain page where I just want to add a couple things and I don't want all these fancy elements. I don't want columns. I just want plain. So what I'm going to do is duplicate the page because maybe I want to keep the contact one when I want to put in a new page. So I go to my pages on the left, the three bars there. And then I find the page that I want to duplicate and I go to the gear icon for the settings and I go duplicate, say yes. And then now maybe I want to rename this. So my blank page, obviously, and you're going to change the URL here, whatever you want to have. And don't forget that if this is your internal page name and here is your SEO name. So whatever you want people to see there. And if you want it showing on your sitemap, then keep that there. If it's something you want keep hidden, then you want to turn that off. Okay, so let's just go here. And so you can see that there are basically two blocks here. There's this block with this image up top, and then there's this block that has this form. It's just leveled up a bit higher, and it has a couple columns. So if I don't want this stuff, it's easy. All you have to do is first, or actually it doesn't matter which order you do it in, but you can add a block. And you're going to add an empty block. If you just want something you're going to put text into, or if you want something different, you can go through these. But let's just put the empty block. So now you have an empty space that you can add anything you want to. But now we're just going to delete, or if you're not sure, hide over here. The little I can hide it, or you can just go here on the left and click the garbage can. And then this is going to delete this block as well. And now we have something that we can just add text to. So sometimes the design of pages is like more complex than you actually need, and you don't want that all extra stuff. So it's super easy to update for you. So now you have a blank page that just has your header and your footer. Now, if you want to get rid of the header and footer too, you want it even more plain, that's easy to do as well. So do not delete, because whatever change you make to your header on any page affects site-wide. But on each individual page, you can hide it. So when you go here, you can see there's a little arrow saying the header is above you. You can hide it there. You want to hide the footer, you just make sure it's going footer, hide, and now you have an absolutely plain page. Or if you just want those items showing and put your text in here, you can do that. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please let us know.